Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video for next week. So in this video, we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels and price action structures that currently gold is following so that we can utilize those levels in next week for finding buy and sell opportunities. So before going into the price action, as usually, we are going to check the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report, and we are looking at the positions of the managed money into this COT report. So as you can see, for the current closing week, the managed money, they are adding a very good number into their net long holding. These blue bar is the net long holding of the managed money, and if we check the latest data, you can clearly see that the managed money, they adding a very good amount into the buy side. You can see right over here. And if you remember the previous week analysis and COT report data, you can see that from the previous few weeks, you can see that they were not increasing or decreasing their long positions by any big amount, but from the previous week onward and for this current closing week, we have seen that they are now re-adding or rebuilding their long positions, which is a very positive sign for bulls for longer period. Yes, for COT we have to analyze the trend, and we do not have to use this data for the intraday levels or for a short period. We have to analyze and use this data for a longer term basis. So for this particular closing week, you can see they added a very good amount into the long side. This time they added 22096 contract into the long side, which is a very good number. They also decreased their short positions. So yes, there is a very positive development of for bulls from the COT report. But on the price action, we have seen the reverse of this. Yes, they are the managed money, they are adding into the buy side, which is a very good sign for bulls. But on price action, we have seen the opposite of that. Yes, on price action, you can clearly see that we have seen another failed attempt of bulls from the major resistance zone that we discussed many times. So as you can see on daily time frame, this area is acting as a very big resistance. The area around 3440 to 3450. Yes, we have seen multiple attempts over to this level, but bulls failed to break out this consolidation range from this period to this current closing period. Yes, prices again reversed back into the range and currently testing this high volume support area. So as you can see, we have seen the reversal again and rejection from the zone. So what are the levels that we have to watch on daily closing basis? Let's discuss that. So on daily closing, yes, the first support is at the current closing. As you can see, this is the high volume area, and the area is around 3320 to 3340. So yes, this is the first support area on volume profile also, you can see, and this is the POC level at which the price is closed, which is at a support. But as you can see, we have seen the rejection. So into the higher side, which levels we have to take care of? Yes, the first support is of course the previous week high, this level that we have to watch. And for reversal, or you can say to reclaim the bullish wave, what are the levels that we have to watch? Let me show you. For that, we have to, just a second. For that, we have to draw the Fibonacci levels for this high to this current closing low, like this. And to reclaim or to move up again, price at least need to close above to 3395 or roughly at 3400. Yes, 3400 is now going to act as the psychological resistance and as a major resistance. Yes, to move up on daily closing from here, price need to close above 3400 with good volume, because this area is now going to act as resistance. The first major resistance 3381, which is in confluence with the previous week high, and then 3395. Into the lower side, the level, of course the current closing is the level. Any closing below this can initiate more decline, and the first support on daily closing we have to watch this area, the previous week low, this low, and the monthly open at this level. So any closing up below to this previous week low can initiate more selling to our lower level, because we have seen a big rejection. So on price action on daily time frame, we have to take care of this scenario, and currently price is looking weak on daily time frame. And what is the dynamic support that we have to watch? If you remember the previous week and previous analyses, let me show you what I'm talking about. So if we draw, just a second, if we draw the trend line for this period from here to here like this, we have to touch maximum points and this like this. So on daily time frame, price is currently closing and breaking down this major support trend line. Yes, for short period we can consider this like this and like this. For short period we can say that the price is currently at support trend line, but for the larger picture or the bigger picture, the price is break down from this trend line. But on short picture, the price is currently at the support, but any breakdown and follow-up candle from here can result more decline into the lower side on daily time frame. So we have to take care of that. And to move up, of course, price need to reclaim this trend line and this area again. So we have to consider this scenario also. Now let's move on to intraday time frame, that is on 1 hour or on 4 hour time frame, and how price is behaving. Let me show you. So on 1 hour time frame, you can see we have seen a very healthy bull run in previous week, and we have seen continuous higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, higher high, then liquidity sweep over to this level. Then price made a sharp decline, as you can see, and we have not seen any big pullback, and we have seen a very good pressure by bears into the lower side. So what are the levels on intraday that we have to watch? So as you can see on current closing, price is making a bullish order block over to this level, because this is a good support on daily time frame, and price now can make a attempt to into the higher side to create another lower high like this around this area like this, and can move down like this. So what are the levels on intraday? Let's discuss that. So the first level on intraday or on 4 hour and on 1 hour, we have to watch this level around 3350, and the another level that we have to watch is this area, because from here we have seen another decline, and the major resistance on this intraday is this area. So yes, this is the current scenario, and price is currently looking weak also on 1 hour time frame or on 4 hour time frame, but a pullback is of course due on H1 and H4 basis. So we can plan our entries accordingly. To see sell, we have to wait rejection from this level or this level, and for a buy we have to wait for a clear buy. For a low risk buy, we have to wait for price to close above this level, or if you want to take a buy for short period. For intraday, we have to consider this as a low, and then we can plan buy. And for a current, for a current trend following sell, we have to wait for this level and this level. So currently price is looking weak on daily and on intraday time frame also. And let's check the scenario on bigger time frame or bigger picture, that is on weekly basis. So yes, on weekly basis, price is reversing back under consolidation zone, and it is currently sitting at a very good price level, but we have seen a very big rejection, and any follow-up candle, down candle from here, can initiate further selling toward lower levels. So yes, weekly time frame is not looking good, but yes, it is on support. Any closing below this can result further decline, and we have to act accordingly. So weekly time frame is also not showing any positive sign as of now, and we have to wait how price going to behave in live price action and live market analysis, so we can consider that movement accordingly. And for next week, we have some multiple major data and major event that we have to watch. Let me show you. So for next week, just a second, the major data that we have to watch: on Tuesday we have job opening, and Wednesday we have the major data, that is Fed interest rate decision. Yes, this is the major event for Wednesday. And for next week, the GDP growth data is also on same day, and on same day we have Fed press conference. And also the major data on Thursday is core PC price index, and then Friday also we have non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, ISM manufacturing, that going to add volatility. So yes, next week is going to be very volatile if we check the data and event that are due for next week. So we have to consider that data and events accordingly. So we are going to discuss more about the live event, live analysis, and live price action on Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.